Welcome to the age of artificial intelligence, a revolutionary technology that is transforming various industries, including the art world. With AI, we are witnessing a paradigm shift in the way art is being created, displayed, and sold. From AI-generated artwork that is indistinguishable from human-made pieces to AI-based art curation, conservation, and commerce systems, the potential of this technology is enormous. Join us as we explore the ways in which AI is changing the art world, pushing the boundaries of creativity, and shaping the future of the industry. AI algorithms are increasingly being used to create stunning and thought-provoking works of art. With the ability to learn from large data sets and mimic human creativity, AI is producing artwork that is often indistinguishable from human-made pieces. From generating original artwork to modifying existing pieces, AI is revolutionizing the creative process, pushing the boundaries of what we consider to be art. Join us as we explore some of the most exciting AI-generated artwork and learn more about how this technology is changing the art world. AI is transforming the way we curate art in museums and galleries. By analyzing vast amounts of data about art and visitor behavior, AI algorithms can provide curators with insights into which pieces are most relevant to their audience. This enables museums to create a more engaging and personalized experience for visitors, leading to increased interest and attendance. Additionally, AI-powered art recommendation systems can help visitors discover new pieces based on their interests, encouraging them to explore different styles and genres. With AI, the art curation process becomes more efficient, cost-effective, and data-driven, allowing museums and galleries to better understand and connect with their audiences. Join us as we explore some of the most innovative AI-based art curation systems and their impact on the art world. AI is also being used to preserve and restore artwork, a critical task in the art world. With the ability to analyze images and detect even the slightest changes, AI can help identify areas of damage or deterioration in artwork that may not be visible to the human eye. This allows conservators to develop targeted conservation strategies, helping to prevent further damage and ensure the longevity of the artwork. Additionally, AI can be used to digitally restore damaged pieces, recreating missing or damaged portions with a high degree of accuracy. With AI, the process of art conservation becomes more efficient, effective, and precise, helping to preserve our cultural heritage for future generations. Join us as we explore some of the most cutting-edge AI-based art conservation techniques and their impact on the art world.
Before we move on, I just wanted to remind you that if you're enjoying this valuable content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know when we upload new and exciting videos.
AI is transforming the way we buy and sell art, creating new opportunities for artists, collectors, and investors. With AI-powered art marketplaces and auction platforms, buyers and sellers can connect more easily, with transactions often completed in a matter of seconds. AI can also be used to predict market trends and prices, helping collectors and investors make more informed decisions. Additionally, AI can assist in the authentication of artwork, ensuring that buyers are purchasing genuine pieces and not fakes or forgeries. With AI, the art market becomes more transparent, efficient, and accessible, enabling a wider range of people to participate in the buying and selling of art. Join us as we explore some of the most innovative AI-powered art commerce systems and their impact on the art world. With AI already revolutionizing the way we create, curate, conserve, and commerce art, what does the future hold? Some experts predict that AI will continue to push the boundaries of what we consider to be art, generating even more innovative and challenging pieces. Others envision a future in which AI becomes an integral part of the creative process, collaborating with human artists to produce works that combine the best of both worlds. As AI technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more transformative changes in the art world, with new possibilities and opportunities emerging. Join us as we explore some of the most exciting AI-powered art projects and technologies on the horizon and speculate about what the future of art might look like. While AI has the potential to transform the art world in exciting ways, it also raises important ethical questions. One concern is the question of authorship. If an AI algorithm creates a piece of art, who should be considered the author of that work? Another concern is the potential for AI-generated art to replicate and reinforce existing biases and inequalities, rather than challenging them. Additionally, there are concerns about the use of AI in the authentication of artwork, as some worry that AI might not be able to accurately distinguish between genuine and forged pieces. These are just a few of the ethical dilemmas posed by the use of AI in the art world, and they will require careful consideration and discussion as we continue to explore the potential of this technology in the field of art. The impact of AI on the art world is undeniable. From creating new forms of art and enhancing the creative process to conserving and authenticating artwork and transforming the art market, AI is changing the way we think about and engage with art. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting and innovative developments in the field of art. Whether it's collaborating with human artists to produce groundbreaking new works or helping us better understand and appreciate the art of the past, AI is poised to play an increasingly important role in the world of art.